Guys, I made it to the Gaffney Tractor Show and check these out. There's a Farmall B, Super MTA, Cub, a newer model Farmall International 240, John Deere B, Alice Chalmers WD, for your Ford guys. There's a Ford Model 960. You got a John Deere 140, and you got a little John Deere 110, and you got your 830 John Deere diesel. Pretty neat. More guys down there cranking them up. John Deere's 50. Okay, now here's another John Ford 960. A little Ford 8N from 53. Little Cub Cadet lawnmower before Cub Cadet branched off, become their own company. Pretty neat. See guys, Cub Cadet used to be when they're national, before they branched off and became Cub Cadet, which is known as today. Check this out, y'all. Neat little Ford 8N. I've always been interested in these little things. All these came with 3-point hitches. Neat little tractor. Here's a Minneapolis mow line. You guys, I don't know much about it, but these are neat little tractors. And then here's a Massey Ferguson. Here's a John Deere 70. I was hoping they would have John Deere 40, 30. Oh, look right there. This is John Deere 70 and John Deere 4020. Here's the trailer. I believe that's a little Cub Cadet, I'm not sure. Neat little thing. Now here's an early model John Deere A. They made these in the 30s, this style. And they came out and put all new sheet metal on them in the late 40s, early 50s. Pretty neat. And here's a Farmall Super MTA. Oh, you know how Papa's got Farmall H's and stuff. Well, oh, neat guys. There's a little Farmall H coming. My bad, it's an MT. But this is the next. See, you got your Super H and your M, Super M, and your MD and your Super MD, and then you got this one. And then there's a little Cub, which is right below the A. So, and here's one of the international tractors right here. Big, like real big. So guys, what I want you guys to see, I'm going to tell y'all here, is that, hold on. Okay guys, I'm back. So as you can see right here, this little Cub, you had this model Cub, and here's a Farmall B for you guys. This is the one next up to a Super A, like one at Papa's. Neat little tractor. See, this was a 2-row tractor as well. You'd have one here and one here. But they didn't have this type of, they didn't have this here. It was really like one tractor. Neat little thing. Here's another Super MTA. Hopefully there'll be an M, a couple of others, but you can always trust it. So there's a Farmall 240. I've already showed you guys. This John Deere B. See, this is the newer model John Deere B. Like on that A, showing you guys a little bit ago. Well, this is the B. See, John Deere had the A, the B, the G, and GW. GW stands for wide. Now the B was also a wide, so. And there's a Alice Chalmers WD. Neat little tractor. Oh gosh, check that out. That's kind of neat right there. Hand grenade for a shifter. So if you're wondering what that right there is, that's a hand clutch. Instead of like this one where it's on where you use your foot, you grab it and you pull, take it in or up gears. So yeah, a whole lot more want to come in. So now with the John Deere's, you had your 30, your 40 model, which is this. You got your 50, there'll be a 60. There'll be a 60 model. And then there your 70. Airplane above me. Your John Deere 70. Which is after I pass all these over here again. Your John Deere 70, which is this one. And there'll be one above it, which would be a 80. Oh my goodness, y'all check this out. Check that out. I believe it might have been a Model A. So John Deere also made a 30-20. It'll be that one. Well, it'll be your 30-20, 320, 420, which is this model. And it'll be your 520, your 620, your 720, your 720, up 820, probably 9. Y'all check that. Oh wow, look at there, y'all. You guys see them? Not bad. Pretty neat. I'm not going to bore you guys all day showing the same thing, but check that one out. I believe that might be a John Deere H, but you got it around, let you know. That is neat. I'm just checking everything out, y'all. You guys want to go see some hit and misses? Let's slip on down here. There's going to be a tractor pull here in a little while. Everybody's showing up for the show. Plus, the show's going to be all day. guys, there's more down there. Let me get ready. Hold on. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm running into one of my papa's old buddies. Check these hit and misses out. There's another one. Wait, they're all for sale. These are your bigger ones. You go this way, you're all in your shop, you're all in your little toys and stuff. Check this out. Oh, that's pretty neat right there. Here's your John Deere stuff. Everybody's after now. That's kind of cool. How are you?
All right. How you doing?
Good. Where are your car, guys? There's your G. And then your antique stuff. How are you? All your car collectors. Neat stuff. Oh, your little Coke bottles. How are you?
All right. How are you?
Good. What you want for this? What you want for this?
What you gonna offer for? I really have.
Well, guys, I ended up with a Coke bottle. Check that out.
We got it made.
Pretty neat. Okay.
I got bunches.
Okay. Oh.
You in the pictures?
Hmm?
Pictures?
I do. I collect them, but I'm not. I just collect. I like them all.
Yeah,
I like to collect them all.
I got full. The long necks.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I know I got a case that's full. Got Richard Petty's.
Mm-hmm.
Most of them Richard Petty, but it's all different. You know, like 200.
You got collectibles. What you got?
Yeah. You got money. That's a 4-play. 1991. I don't know
Something.
about eating them, but
Yeah.
I'll sell them. And I want $10 for them.
Okay.
But come on back.
Alrighty.
There's some old snuff, y'all.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, guys, I'm gonna stick this back as soon as I find the truck. The halfway put right there. Here in a minute, I want to find Papa. Papa somewhere around here. So. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying your day. Yep, check this thing out. Okay, guys. Let's go see what else they got. We got some jewelry. Some jewelry here, y'all. See around here. Check this out, y'all. Yeah, that would be a Farmall M, and that would be your C. And there would be your H. And there would be your A, H, and M, all 40s models. Neat. Okay. Neat. Well, y'all, I gotta find for the game of where it's popping. It shouldn't be that hard. So, yeah. I don't know if it's me, but you guys can't hear me all that well. Because I'm not used to filming around other people. Something I won't have to get used to. So, you guys will along for the ride on that. But while I got y'all here, I'm going to make this into 3 parts, okay? You guys are watching part 1. I want you guys to check this out. Part 2 will be up next. That'll be your pulling stuff, I believe so. I'm not quite sure yet. Y'all check these out. Neat, neat, neat. These are all. There's your Ford. There's your Chevrolet, guys. Little yellow taxi Chevrolet. Neat. Neat little thing. And there's a Ford. Ford model, I believe. Be your T. Check, that's neat. Yeah, that's neat. Real neat. Okay. Come back to the tractors.
My nephew's cold. I don't know if
I wish I had a C. Yeah. Oh, check this out. Don't know what year that was, but neat. Just fit right in. Oh, y'all. Tractor. You guys are probably like, why is he showing them again and again? My bad. I flipped it around. You guys are like, why is he showing it again and again? So, yeah, well, John Deere was making their 50 or 30 for a check. There's a my uncle, who's a truck driver, be all over that, y'all. So while John Deere was making their 50s and their 40s and their 30s and their 60s and their 420s and their 520s and their 320s, they're also making a model called 630, 730, 830, which is this. Well, they also made them 430, 330, 430, 530, 630, 730, and then there'd be this one. Man, that diesel, guys, that diesel. Listen to that. A little John Deere. I believe that would be your clutch. Hold on, I got a call coming.